So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm just gonna be decorating my house for Christmas. I know it's super early, but y'all, I just feel like when you decorate like after Thanksgivings, it's just, I need my tree to be up for a little bit longer than that. So I actually had planned on doing this video like last week, so I would have even more time with my Christmas tree and my decorations up, but that didn't happen. So I'm gonna be showing you the items that I purchased, and I'm also gonna be using some of the things that I had from last year when I was staying at my parents' house. I also took some of those out of the storage, but everything that I bought is really from Home Goods. So really, I feel like Home Goods needs to sponsor me, because that's where I do all of my like house decoration shopping. So like Home Goods, you need to come on. But anyways, so I bought some things. I guess I'm gonna do one video, but I'm gonna start with this room first. So some of the things that I bought are for the living room. So I'm gonna show you the things that I bought for in here first. And y'all, I forgot what all I bought. Hold on. Okay, so this is y'all know that Home Goods is really good about wrapping y'all stuff. So I bought this little snow globe, I think that's what it's called, and I was going for like a pink theme because you guys know that I have a lot of this blush pink. So this one had a little bit of that pink in it. It's some more inside as well, but it's super cute. Hold on. See, it has a little thing you can turn. It's just so cute. So this one was actually $19.99. So I got this. Okay, so this is actually from Marshall's, which you guys know, hold on, hopefully that didn't go off, but you guys know that Marshall's, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx are all the same company. So this was from Marshall's, and the only thing I found from there was really this little pink reindeer that has glitter and sequins, and I just thought it was so freaking cute. But y'all, it's really so hard to find like pink Christmas decorations. So that's really all I found from there. I also got a pink hoodie and then some hair products, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. Next we have, okay, so this is from Home Goods, and I got this little, whatever this is, and I just got it because it was pink, but I think it lights up. I didn't see this, but what? Oh, okay, so the nose lights up. You can't really see it, but the nose, there you go, you can see it. The nose lights up and it has the sequins on the top, and I just liked it because it was pink. Next we have, okay, so this is a Christmas tree. Yeah, I'm gonna have a mess by the time I finish doing all of this. Okay, so I have a cute little Christmas tree that has glitter on it and it's gonna be all over the place. But I just thought this was so cute, and this was $14. The reindeer was $7, and then this little thing was $7 as well. Let's see. This, y'all, she tied my bags up really good as well. Okay, so y'all, this I seen on Instagram and I just thought it was so cute. And you guys know that when you see something at Home Goods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx, if you don't buy it, most likely it's gonna be gone and you're never gonna be able to see it ever again. So I seen this on Instagram and I wanted to go to Home Goods, but I was like, I know it's not gonna be there. But I was like, let me just go. So I walk in and this is the first thing that I see, and it's so freaking cute. It's like a little gingerbread house inside, and it's pink, and it's just, I was so glad that I found it. And this was $19.99. But y'all, that is just so freaking cute. So I'm super glad that I found that. Like, that's literally the only thing that I was looking for, and surprisingly I found it. Next. Okay, so next, I don't even know what this is. Oh, okay, so this is actually not for in here. This is for my kitchen. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but y'all know that I love my bling, and look. It's all blinged out. The top is blinged out too. And it's just so freaking cute, so I had to have it. And this was $30. It's a little bit more expensive than I was hoping for it to be, but I just had to have it, y'all. And they had a smaller one, but I wanted the bigger one. But I just, like I said, I just love all of the bling. So I think, let me, hold on. I'm gonna put that over there. I don't want it to break, but I think everything else is what I brought from my parents' house. So this was in the storage. This is a tree skirt, so it's pink and it has the fur on the front. And then yeah, I put all the stuff in these Louis Vuitton boxes that I got. I think these are from my stuff from last year. Okay, so this is, hold on, just all of my ornaments. It's all of my ornaments, and then I got some custom like Christmas, hold on. So I actually got these made last year for Sugar and Honey, but they're just like little stocking bags, and then I got their name put on them. So this one says Honey, the other one is Sugars. So I might put them around the tree, but this is just what it looks like. And I think I bought them from one of my old clients. She was making these, and I don't know if she'll be making them again, but I know, like, I've seen that a lot of people on Etsy make them as well. So you guys can probably find them on there. So I'm gonna show you what my room looks like right now. I mean, you guys have already seen it. I just have the green couch right here in front. I think I'm gonna put the Christmas tree right there, and then I'm gonna put the other decorations on my vanity, and then as well as this table right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna speed it up, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me decorate while I play some music. I was gonna make me some hot cocoa, but I didn't feel like doing it because it's already late. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then after I finish doing this room, I'm gonna do the living room as well. And then everything that I'm gonna be using for the living room is also from Home Goods. So just keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, hold on y'all, I'm trying not to knock things over. I forgot to mention, but the Christmas tree that I have is from Walmart, and I bought this last year, and I like it because it's tall, but it's not wide, so I didn't want anything that was gonna take up too much space, so this was perfect. I'll be sure to find it on their website and leave the link down below for you guys. Y'all, I forgot all about this ornament, and now my Jeep actually matches it because now I have a pink Jeep, and I bought this like last year, and I never would have thought that I was gonna be changing my Jeep to pink or getting it wrapped pink, but this matches. I mean, of course mine is a lot brighter, but y'all, that is so cute. And I think this one I got from like Hobby Lobby. The other ornaments I got from Walmart. The tree, like I said, is from Walmart. The little Yorkie ornaments are from Walmart as well. Alrighty, y'all, so I just finished decorating my tree, and this is what it looks like. We have the blink down star, we have the Yorkie ornaments. So I stayed with the same like blush pink throughout the whole room, or I am gonna stay with the pink throughout the entire room. But y'all, look how cute that one is. But I also love my Yorkie ones. Like I said, these I got last year at Walmart. And then I love the tree skirt. It just looks so good. So now we're gonna go in with these, and I thought I got a lot more decorations, but like I said, I couldn't really find a lot of pink Christmas decorations, so I'm just gonna go in and place those like around my vanity somehow. And then also, like I said, those are gonna go in the living room, and then I need to clean this mess up. I don't know where I want to put these at. They spell out joy, and I don't know where. I might end up putting these in the living room actually, because I forgot I had these, and they'll go perfect in the living room. So this is how it turned out. So I didn't want too much because I already feel like I got a lot going on. But so we just put the Christmas tree right there. It turned out really, really pretty. Of course, I wanted to stick with my little blush pink throughout the whole room. I added this right there. I added one of my Bath and Body Works candles. And then for my vanity, I just added the Christmas tree right there, which I really like, and it has a lot of glitter on it. And then I added the little glove right there. And then I forgot about this too, which is a Santa. And then the little deer, I added it right there. I wanted to get, sorry y'all, I did want to get some pillow, like Christmas pillows for right here, but I couldn't find any. But I think I have some at my mom's house actually, so I'm probably gonna replace the pillow in the middle with something more Christmassy, but I do want to keep the pink one and the leopard one as well. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this room. If I end up adding anything else, I'll be sure to post it.